In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email list from a campaign in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. We'll start on the Salesforce homepage. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the Lightning interface. From here, open the app launcher. This is the grid icon that lets you jump between apps and objects without hunting through menus. In the search bar or the list below, choose Campaigns. That takes you to the campaign workspace where your marketing initiatives live. Next, open the campaign you're working with. In this example, we'll select the 2026 campaign, but you should pick whichever campaign holds the audience you want to email. Once you're in the campaign record, look toward the top right area and open Show More Actions. From the menu that appears, choose Add Contacts. This ties people to the campaign as members. If your campaign already has the correct members, you're set. If not, this is the moment to add the right contacts so your email reaches the intended list. With the audience in place, you're ready to send. Click Send Email. When Salesforce asks what format to use, choose Plain Text. Plain text emails are lightweight, accessible, and often deliver well because they avoid heavy styling. They're great for straightforward announcements and transactional style updates. After selecting plain text, click Select and continue to move into the Email Composer. Start by reviewing the Recipients section. This confirms who will receive the message. You should see your campaign members reflected here. If something looks off, pause and adjust your campaign members before proceeding. When the recipients look right, click into the subject field. Type a clear, concise subject line that sets the right expectation. Think benefit forward and to the point. Below that, compose your email body. Because this is plain text, focus on clarity. Lead with the most important information, keep paragraphs short, and include any necessary links in full so they're easy to recognize and click. If you reference dates or actions, make them unmissable. If you spot something you don't need, an extra recipient, a line you want to remove, or a placeholder, use the trash icon to delete it. Keeping the message tidy helps ensure your key points don't get lost. At this stage, it's a good idea to save your work. Click Save as Draft. Saving creates a safe checkpoint and lets you step away without losing your copy or settings. When your draft is ready for review, click Preview and Send. This shows how the email will appear to recipients. Scan the subject, the first few lines, and any links. If your organization uses merge fields, this is where you'd catch anything that looks off. If you notice something to fix, click Back to Edit, make your changes, and, again, click Save as Draft. Saving a second time after edits helps lock in your final version. Before sending, take a quick final pass. Confirm recipients reflect the campaign members you intended, ensure the subject line is crisp and accurate, and verify your call to action is obvious. When you're confident everything is correct, click Send. Salesforce will begin delivering your plain text email to the selected campaign members. After sending, you can return to the campaign record to monitor activity and outcomes as your organization's setup allows. Keeping your workflow in this order, open the campaign, add contacts, compose, save, preview, refine, save again, and send reduces errors and makes it easy to repeat the process for future efforts. That's the full flow for sending an email list from a campaign in Salesforce. Start at home, go through the app launcher to Campaigns, open your campaign, add contacts, choose Send Email, select plain text, confirm recipients, craft your subject and message, clean up anything unnecessary with the trash icon, save as a draft, preview, return to edit if needed, save again, and send with confidence.